Low network connection. Okay, see if this works. Hi guys. Hi friends. How's everybody doing this Saturday morning, afternoon? I had my hair in two like smallish buns last night after I showered, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of just let my hair be kind of wild and a little wavy. So say hi when you're hopping on. How's everybody doing today? My brows look a little crazy, but that's all right. I'm going to be working on using a blush today. It's gonna be called Alive. It's one shade of blush, and I'm gonna be using it for blush, and we'll come up with some other ideas too. Hey Rachel, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon. So I'm just gonna first go ahead and show you the Riki Cutie. So this is our newest mirror, a lighted mirror, and this is travel size, so you can see it comes in this cute box. Let me grab some scissors here. The shipping was crazy fast on this, crazy fast. So this mirror is gonna be my best friend. It's gonna get carried in my purse, and when I go to Hawaii and when I go to Palooza, I might still bring my Riki too. So the Riki is, for those of you who don't know, the Riki Skinny is kind of the bigger model. It is a beautiful, 16.9 by, I don't know, 11, 12 inches, around there, don't quote me. But it's so light, and it's so great for traveling if you can carry it in a special carrying case. So this is its little sister or cousin or whatever. And this is how it comes, and there's the top part, and then here's the bottom part here. So we have a carrying pouch and the USB, which comes with pretty much everything that we get these days, those little USBs, right? Comes with the little manual. And I'm gonna get to this part right here. So this is the mirror, and I'm gonna take the, woo, that always feels so cathartic when you pull off that plastic wrapping. And there's me in like triple form. Okay, so on the back it says Lime Life by Elcone. Oh, we're gonna have a guest appearance here. Let's see. Okay, so you just push this out, and then you can turn this too. So you can use it like, I guess like this. And then it also has this kickstand on the back. Yes. Who's there? Sorry, I can't get my fingernail underneath that. Am I doing this right? Of course. There we go. Okay, it was kind of stuck. So there's the little kickstand, so it can just sit on a table for you while you're doing your makeup like this. And then there's the little USB plug up here. And then let's turn this bad girl on. Let's see. Okay, so there's one. Ooh, 2 and 3. Yay! Okay, so this is me with my Riki Skinny light. I'll turn that off, and then I'll turn this back on. So it looks really bright. Looks really good, right? Ooh la la, look at that. Ah. So that's the Riki Cutie. I'm so in love with this, and it's so lightweight. This is so, it's lighter than my phone. I have an iPhone 10. This is an iPhone 6, I think. So I have two phones. But this is smaller, if you can see this. Here, let me turn the light off. Okay, so there's off. How do you get this guy back in here? I think I have it backwards. Okay, well there's the little mirror here, but this is the size. So if you have an iPhone, it's just a little bit bigger, like the tiniest bit bigger than this iPhone 6, and it's much lighter. So it's so super light. That is so awesome. So awesome. So I can be like, oh, I'm doing my mirror. How cute is that? How cute is that? I'm so excited. Penelope wants to show everybody her painting. So, ta-da! Look how gorgeous that is. Hey, Tony. Hi, Erin. Yes, it's so cute. Look at that beautiful painting. Art by P. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so let me get on to my blushing project here. Okay, let that dry. Okay, so I'm going to be using blush 1 today, and this is going to be, thanks Marissa. This is blush 1. It's called Alive. These are highly pigmented, so when you're going to apply your blush, eyeshadows, even foundation, you want to use a small amount. You don't want to go crazy with your brush right off the bat. And oh, let me grab my blush brush. Alive, so I just want to do a light tap like that, and then just tap it off in the pan and apply your blush.
Look at that.
And there's different ways to do your blush, you know, if you have, depending on your face shape. So I just kind of follow my contour that I already did right there and just do a little bit on right there. So it's just really soft. I don't want it to be overwhelming or, you know, Raggedy Ann looking with the little circles. And I used to love those dolls, P.S. I had them when I was little. Okay, same thing over here. Really light. I tend to be very soft-handed when it comes to my powders because I don't want it to get crazy. But if you do want to go back for more, go for it. Okay. Now I'm going to use this same blush. Excuse me, nose itch. I'm going to use the same blush on my eyes. And remember, this is going to be really pigmented again. I'll show you guys the cutie again in a minute for those of you who just hopped on and want to see the cutie. Grab this. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so here's my cutie here. Super lightweight. It's like looking at a phone basically, but it's very, very light. Pretty painting. P's art once again for all of my new viewers. Very pretty, very festive and colorful for summer. Let's put this over here to dry, okay? All right, so I have number 1, Alive. Here, can I push this? Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this like this and do my Alive blush as my eyeshadow.
Mama,
It is, isn't it? It's so pretty. She does such a great job with her art.
Open that.
Open what?
Right there. Mama, open me.
So look at that subtle color there. And I really love this color on my eyes. I know it looks more pink, more mauve here, but on the skin, it looks really soft and summery to me. I mean, not that you couldn't use this for other seasons, but with my skin tone, I think it just is really subtle and neutral looking. So I kind of keeping this down here on the outer corner. Pretty, right? Okay. Now, I can touch up the eyes. I can add in another color, but I'm really just going to keep it that simple. And I'm just going to grab a bigger brush to just kind of blend out the edge here so it's not as a harsh line. Okay, thank you.
Ow!
Ow, why are you doing that to me? That hurts.
Okay, I got a band-aid.
Oh, you're gonna put a band-aid on me. Okay, great. Thank you, Lindsay. All right. Yes, okay. Now my last step that I'm gonna use for my blush is really going to be, oops, pick it up, pick it up. I'm gonna use,
Go.
I can find a light lip gloss. I'm gonna use a lip gloss, and I'm gonna show you that blush on my lips as well.
My turn, my
Okay.
turn.
Here.
Apple.
Is Olaf. There you go. Okay, grab a sip of my shake. That is a Shakeology shake. That strawberry flavor gets has some getting used to, I think.
Stop.
Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna use my Bliss lip gloss, which is basically clear for me. Has a tiny bit of sparkle in it. And then for the finale, we're gonna go in with, ta-da, blush number 1 once again for the win. And let me find myself a lippy brush here, if I can. If not, I can even go in with a shadow brush. It's not a big deal. All right, I'm gonna use this flat brush right here.
Ta-da!
Pick up some color, tap it off, and watch this. Get my cutie out again.
And hold.
Riki
Scratch.
Cutie to the rescue.
Cut that. Cut that.
Now remember, that color is going to be subtle on me because my lips are already kind of pinky, so it's not going to show as vibrant as it would for somebody who has less pigment in their natural lips. But you can see here, as I apply more, it's going to get a little bit more vibrant. Who's there?
It's on me.
Guys didn't know you were going to get a knock-knock show too, huh? Who's there?
It's on me.
Yeah. There we go. Some Alive blush on the lips.
No.
This color is kind of in between a macaroon and maybe a wedding cake as far as the enduring lip colors, but look how pretty. That's just with a little gloss and a little bit of blush. Blush on the cheeks and blush on the eyes. And that is 3 wonderful ways that you can use that blush. Yes, who's there?
It's on me.
Okay, and then here is our Riki, once again. Riki, bright and brightest. And when I turn that light off, you see how bright it is.
Mine turn.
So you can take your pictures.
Mine turn, Mama.
Hold on, baby. You can have it in just a minute. You can look at it, okay? So you take your pictures like that, and you're set to go. All right, thanks for hanging out with me this afternoon. I have stuff to do, so I'm gonna get off here, and you go ahead and get on with your day. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.